Bonjour. Welcome, children and family members. My Ojibwe name is Ogima Wabishka Nakwatakwe, lead White Cloud Woman. My English name is Dr. Joanne Riegert. In this part of the camp program, I'm going to participate with you in an expressive meditation. It's called Shaking and Movement. This meditation is one of the oldest meditation practices, and it is one that many indigenous people have used for thousands of years. As children, you can use this, and so can your caretakers, your mom, your dad, auntie, uncle, grandparent. They can also use this healing skill. It's good for anyone from a baby to our elders. This expressive meditation can be useful for releasing any stuckness that we might feel. Sometimes we get stuck in the way that we think. Maybe we think about problems all the time, or we get stuck in the posture of our bodies and our joints don't move very well. Sometimes we even get stuck in sadness and worry. Whatever the case, we're stuck. Shaking and movement begins to break up the stuck ideas, thoughts, or patterns in our bodies. Sometimes we can get slumped over playing a video game, or maybe we are feeling tightness here in our chest, or maybe our knees hurt or our back hurts because of the way we are sitting, especially if it's too long. The medicine wheel in our culture includes the physical part of who we are. When we engage in this physical part through shaking and movement, we are able to shake out any worry, stress, or fear that we might be holding. When we move to the music, we also bring healing energy to our bodies, mind, and spirit. It can help us prevent and heal from many chronic or long-term illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Movement or dancing is a way of expression, a language in itself. When we dance, we tell stories. Dance can be used for prayer, and each dance has its own meaning in Native American culture. Dancing is a way that we honor ourselves and connect to our surroundings. It's a way that we can heal ourselves and our communities. We carry on our traditions through dancing. You may have heard that dancing can be part of the way that we have a spiritual connection to the earth, the sky, and all the living things on Mother Earth. When we dance, we can move in a circle if we want. This will honor the circle of life and all four directions. So for a moment, I would like you to think about all of the colors, feathers, jingles, fringes, and ribbons on the dancer's regalia. Think about the fancy dance. It moves fast, and the regalia is colorful. Think about the grass dance and how we use this to flatten the grass to get the ground ready for a tribal ceremony such as a powwow. Maybe you can imagine a jingle dress and the dance that is used for healing, or the traditional regalia that is worn to express our own individual uniqueness. Maybe we don't have our own regalia or are unable to attend powwows, but that doesn't mean that we can't still shake and dance. In our culture, dance is a way of life. It is a way that we stay healthy and strong. It is something that we can use to feel good about ourselves and one another. Remember, each of you will have your own unique expression. No one will shake and dance the same. This meditation has 3 parts: shaking, stopping and remaining still for a minute or 2, and dancing. The drumming will be played, and it will sound a little different than we are used to hearing, but we will honor the drum and shake to it any way we want to. So now I'm going to ask you to stand giving yourself enough room to move. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do this together. Begin by planting your feet shoulder width apart, bending your knees slightly, and just relaxing your shoulders and breathing deeply. Then begin shaking your whole body from your feet, through your knees, your hips, your shoulders, and all the way to your head. If you have physical limitations, shake to the best of your ability. You may need to shake slowly or while sitting down. It's important that you listen to your body. We're going to be doing the shaking for about 4 minutes. And then when the music stops, I will ask you to relax and notice how you feel and what's going on with your breath and your body. And then after 2 minutes, some new music will come on. And when it does, let the music move you in whatever way that feels unique and right to you and feels good. Just remember, there is no wrong way to do this. Just have the experience and have fun. All right, when the music starts, we're just going to start shaking and dancing. as you stop, I just would like to notice what's happening in your body. Notice your breath. Notice the feelings in your muscles. Just notice how this is sitting in your body right now. Just breathe and notice. Okay, and now just let the music as it's played just move you in whatever way that feels right for you.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. The landlord say your rent is late. He may have to litigate. Don't worry, be happy. Look at me, I'm happy. Don't worry, be happy. Hey, I give you my phone number. When you worry, call me. I make you happy. Don't worry, be happy. Ain't got no cash, ain't got no style, ain't got no gal to make you smile. But don't worry, be happy. Cause when you worry your face will frown, and that will bring everybody down. So don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Now there, this song I wrote.
Thank you for participating in that with me. And now I invite you to use your journal to jot down your reflections, or you can share with a family member or friend. Notice any emotions that this brought up. What was hard or difficult about it? What did you really like about it? And how your body, mind, and spirit feels after. I would also like you to consider one person that you think it would be helpful and who you can share the shaking and movement with them and see if it can help them too. And for your participation, I say miigwech, which is thank you, and gigawabamin, until I see you again.